Hi everyone, it's Miss Prodnick, and this is a tutorial of how to use Incredibox. Now for our Incredibox project, you're going to be brought to one of two screens. The first one might be this one if you just go to Incredibox. You're going to scroll down and select Try the Web version. If you click on the link that I give you at any time, it's going to already bring you to this screen right here. Once you arrive at this screen, you will have a version of the Incredibox mixes that you would like to use. So it says select a version to start mixing music. The top row is free. The bottom row is locked, so you will have to try one from the top. Once you select it, it does take a moment to load, and you will see the progress bar right here. Once it loads, you will be able to start creating your beatboxing mix. Next, you'll press play. Now, the different things you have to do for this project are listed in Google Classroom, but I'll also refresh your memory. So it needs to be 2 minutes long. You need to use at least 5 different sounds. You need to fade your characters in and out. So what that means is adding them one at a time and then deleting them one at a time, which I will show you. And then the last thing is you need to have a solo happen. Now, a solo is when one of these characters makes a sound by itself. So those are the criteria you have to meet to get an A, or the best grade you can on this. Now I'm going to show you how to record it. So what you're going to do is you're going to spend some time creating the music, figuring out which sounds you like, playing around with it, making sure you know what to do, and then you're going to record. Please don't just go in and press record and do anything random. This should be something that you're proud of and something that you're ready to share with the rest of the class. So when you've done that and you're ready to record, you will go to the 3-line menu and click, and you'll find the record button. You'll click. Now, the record button will not record outside noise. So if you cough, it won't record you. If you talk or your little sister says something, it's not going to record that. It's only recording the sounds that are in the computer. So to start creating, you're going to click and drag. You may need to use 2 hands. Now notice the counter at the top. It started. You need to reach 2 minutes. And notice I'm fading them in. I'm adding in characters. And he's loading down here. Okay. If you don't like something, you're going to click the X. So let me show you. Okay, but I did like that, so I'm going to keep it. All right, we'll keep that one. Now, I don't really like those together, so I'm just going to mute him. So maybe he just comes in every once in a while. Now I'm going to unmute him. Watch. Listen, use your ears. See? And then I'm going to get rid of him. He's loading. All right, so I'm going to get rid of this guy now. All right, so I'm almost at 2 minutes. You can go over 2 minutes if you want. But now I need to make sure I do a solo. So I'm going to let this guy do a solo. I'm going to click this right here. And I click it again when I want everyone back in. Now it's my turn to eliminate the sounds one by one, to fade them out. So I think I'll get rid of this whistle guy first. And maybe this guy. And then I'm going to end my mix. All right, stay tuned for part 2 of this video. Actually, I'm going to keep it one video. So now what you're going to do is you're going to save your mix. This is very important so you could turn it into me. You're going to click save. You're going to put your name here. I just put MP for Miss P. You're going to make a title, whatever you want to call it. And you're going to click the check mark. Now you're going to click the blue share button. And then you'll go over here to mix link. Okay, this is going to copy the link. So I want the link, and you have to click on this. It says link copied to your clipboard. Okay. Now, I am not going to click out of this. If I click out of Incredibox, I might have to do this again. So the next part is you're going to go to your Google form, which is in the classroom. Okay, it's right here. Classwork. You click on Incredibox Mix Composition. There is, once you view the assignment right here, if I go down, it's not working. View the assignment, it's going to bring me into a place where there's the Google form. So here is the Google form. You will have to answer the question. So the first one is your name. Okay, so I'm going to pretend I'm my son. So you put your name. You're going to choose your teacher so I can grade these more easily. Then you're going to go down and do the checklist. It says this is a checklist. Check off each one that you've done. All of them need to be done to get the best grade. So composition is at least 2 minutes long. Well, yes, it was over 2 minutes, so at least 2 minutes is correct. Fades performers in and out. Yes, I did that. I had them add in one at a time, and then I deleted them one at a time. Uses at least one solo in your composition. Well, yes, I did have that guy singing by himself at one time. So I did that. And then I used at least 5 different sounds during the 2-minute composition, which I did. Paste your mix link here. Now this is where you're going to do Control V, and you're going to paste it in. Now please make sure it says Incredibox.com and it has mix in the link, because maybe you were watching a YouTube video earlier, or maybe you were doing something else and a different link pops in here. You want to make sure it is your link. If it is not, that's why we kept this screen up. You'll go back to mix link. You'll go back to copying your link. Then you're going to submit. Now, just because you submit does not mean you're done. Okay, you're going to click submit. Then you're going to go back to Google Classroom. Okay, you're going to click view assignment. And then for you, see, this is the teacher one, but for you, there's going to be right up here in this section, there's going to be a mark as done button. So let me see what it looks like. Google Classroom, mark as done button. Let's see what the images show us. And it's right here. So it will be a green mark as done button. You must click that for the project to be complete. And you can always ask me when we have our live sessions if I did receive it. But as long as you submitted your form and you marked it as done, then I did get it. So I hope this helped. Have a great day. Can't wait to hear your music.